Hi, Ed Kershen with Equities.com. We're here at the Hyatt Hotel in New York City for the Markham Microcap Conference. Busy day today, isn't it?
Very busy.
Sitting on my right today, Critical Outcome Technologies, Dr. Wayne Danter, President and CEO.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for being with us today.
Very welcome. Thanks for the opportunity.
And you're trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange.
Toronto Venture Exchange, correct.
Okay, and your ticker symbol on there?
COT.V.
And is there a website that people can come and
There is
look
indeed.
at
Yep. www.critical.outcome.com.
Very good.
Right.
Wayne, do me a favor. Give us a brief overview of your company and its operation.
Sure. Critical Outcome Technologies is a publicly traded bioinformatics company that's currently focused in the pharmaceutical space with the aim of making drug discovery more efficient in terms of getting products from concept to patients.
What are your growth prospects in your target market areas, and how do you plan to capitalize on them?
Sure. We have a number of products, and the first of those would be COT2, a molecule that we have discovered and taken towards phase 1. That molecule is currently down in Houston at MD Anderson, being prepared for a phase 1 study later this year. Another arm of our growth strategy is to do research and development projects with pharma and biotech partners. We've done 3 of those and are in the process of negotiating additional projects. We have other projects as well. We'll be rolling out a product called Confirm next month, which will allow access to our core platform for the purposes of due diligence in biotech life science investing. This is a objective third-party evaluation of assets in the life sciences space that may be of interest to investment banks, life science funds, universities, and so forth. We see our growth potential as being quite substantial. We'll be moving into the United States in the next few months. Mm-hmm. We've identified a New York banker, Maxim, is our business advisors and helping us with the transition from Canada into the United States. We hope to be listed here in the U.S. very shortly and look forward to putting down a footprint here in the U.S. and beginning the growth process.
Can you discuss your company's competitive advantage, strategic advantages over your competitors?
Sure. Essentially, what we've done is we've attacked a big data problem with machine learning, artificial intelligence technologies to produce a series of computer assays that are designed to replicate what the FDA and Health Canada are looking for. So we started with a very simple concept that if you start with better starting points, you're likely to have better outcomes, here being the probability of getting into the clinic. And then what we did was to take apart the traditional drug discovery process, break it down into its constituent elements, and create computer simulations of each one of those. We then validated those simulations and put it back together in a platform. And we put that platform right at the beginning of our process. So for all intents and purposes, we start our drug discovery and preclinical development process using the FDA filters. In other words, what the FDA and Health Canada are looking for when they decide what gets into humans in phase 1 studies. So I think that gives us a tremendous edge, both in terms of time and money that it costs to get there.
Are there any highlights or significant achievements or developments that our investment community might want to know about?
Well, yes, I think so. The first is our lead oncology asset, COT2, which will be in phase 1 later this year, was studied in quite a lot of detail at MD Anderson and really has confirmed a very unique mechanism of action. The molecule attacks p53 mutations in that it results in restoration of normal protein function, And that's a very big deal because that particular gene is mutated in more than half of human cancers. We've also been very successful on a smaller scale in raising money in Canada and identifying partners in universities, the small biotech and pharma space, and also we have one large pharma partner that we're involved in a research and development project. We also have attracted interest from international investors in helping us finance the preclinical development and clinical development of CODI2. So I think having our technology validated, doing well in our home country, having multiple assets of various stages of development, and having a real impact opportunity with CODI2 is a real point of interest for our investors. I think they also would like to know that we're not a one-trick pony. We have many different assets at various stages of development, and they're all set to follow on once we find a good home for CODI2.
Well, I was going to ask you, what do you think of a few milestones or goals would be over the course of the next 12 months?
Sure. Our first milestone would be filing our IND for CODI2 with the FDA and Health Canada, and that'll occur in mid-September. We will decide in the next few months about who actually will do the phase 1 study with us. We're reasonably certain it'll be at MD Anderson in Houston. We hope to have that trial start by the end of this year. So we're looking for those types of milestones. In addition, we'll be rolling out our new product Confirm in the next month, and we're aiming to have a number of pharma, biotech, and investment partners for that particular offering.
Dr. Wayne Danter, President and CEO, Critical Outcome Technologies. Thanks for being with us
Thank
today.
you, sir. Thanks for the opportunity.
Do you have any closing comments you'd like to leave us with?
Just we are a great Canadian company. We've learned a lot surviving in Canada during the nuclear winter of biotechnology, and we're excited about bringing our technology and our people to the United States.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
I'm Ed Kershen for Equities.com. He's ready to run away. Thanks for being with us. We'll see you next time.
All right. Thank you.